In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge cells Notion. We'll walk through a clear practical way to combine information from different columns so it appears as one, even though Notion doesn't offer a traditional merge like a spreadsheet does. Start by heading to your Notion workspace and opening the page where you want to work with a table. This can be any page where you're organizing data. Click into the body of the page, then type a slash to open Notion's command menu and choose to create a new table. If you already have a table you want to use, simply open that one instead. The slash menu is a reliable shortcut for quickly inserting content blocks, including databases, without hunting through menus. Now, decide which pieces of information you want to combine. You'll be merging content from two or more columns, so it presents as a single combined result. To keep your original data unchanged, add a new row dedicated to the merged output. This keeps your source columns intact while giving you one place to display the combined text, which is especially useful if you need to reference or copy it later. Once you've identified the rows you want to work with, look for the six-dot handle to the left of a row, or use your selection to target a range of rows, then click that handle. Think of this as your control panel for row-level actions. From the menu that appears, choose Ask AI. This opens Notion's AI tools, which are excellent for lightweight data manipulation and formatting. In the AI prompt, type something like merge columns or combine data, then press enter. The AI will read the selected content and generate a combined version that brings together the fields you've chosen in a way that makes contextual sense. If you care about formatting, you can mention light guidance in your prompt, like including separators such as commas or dashes, but keep it simple and focused on combining the data you selected. After a moment, you'll see the AI's result, which effectively simulates a merged cell while respecting Notion's database structure. This approach works because Notion's AI can synthesize information across columns and present it in one place, even though there's no direct merge command like you'd find in traditional spreadsheets. That's the full workflow. You open or create your table, choose your data, use the six-dot handle to access Ask AI, and prompt it to merge or combine the selected content. It's quick, clean, and keeps your database flexible. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Notion tips and tutorials.